there are 10 people at a party. Each person shakes hands with every other person exactly once. How many unique shake hands occur? Here 10 persons. First person shake hands with the remaining 9 persons. So total number of shake hands 9 plus first person is already shake hands with the second person. So there is no need of second person again shake hands with the first person because exactly once. So second person shake hands with the remaining 8 persons. So number of shake hands 8 plus at the same time third person shake hands are 7, fourth person shake hands are 6, fifth person shake hands are 5, sixth person shake hands are 4, seventh person shake hands are 3, eighth person shake hands are 2, ninth person shake hands are 1, tenth person shake hands are 0. So total 45 shake hands. So simply formula for this, for n people the number of shake hands given by equals to handshakes is equals to n into n minus 1 by 2 is equals to 10 persons. 10 in 10 multiply 10 minus 1 by 2 is equals to 10 multiply 9 by 2 which equals to 5 times 5 nines are 45.